Most people are paying for AI. A small group of people are getting paid by AI. And the difference between those two groups isn't talent, it isn't connections, and it isn't luck. It's just knowing where to look. Today I'm giving you 5 platforms that are quietly handing out real money to everyday people, and most of them you've never heard of. If you're new here, this channel covers the real side of making money in the digital economy. No fluff, no fantasy, just verified information you can actually act on. Today's video is one I've been sitting on for a while because I wanted to make sure every single thing I'm about to tell you is backed by real data. Pay rates, payout methods, eligibility, all of it confirmed. So let's get straight into it. Platform 1, Outlier AI. This one sits at the very top of the food chain in this space. Outlier AI is operated by Scale AI, a company currently valued at $14 billion. That's not a startup, that's not a side project. That's one of the most serious AI infrastructure companies in the world, and Outlier is their platform for bringing in human experts to train their models. Here's what the work actually looks like. You write difficult questions in your field of expertise, questions specifically designed to challenge and expose weaknesses in AI models. Then you write the correct, detailed answer. You also rank AI-generated responses, rewrite flawed outputs, and flag errors in AI reasoning. The platform is essentially asking you to be smarter than the AI, and paying you for it. Now, the numbers. Based on verified Glassdoor data from April 2026, 1,465 salary submissions, pay at Outlier ranges from $29 an hour for general ELM trainers up to $66 an hour for AI reviewers. Specialized roles like legal analysis and medical reasoning can go even higher. The platform officially states hourly pay between $10 and $50 depending on skill level and project type. Most working contributors are reporting an average of around $30 to $40 per hour. Payments go out every Tuesday via PayPal, Bank transfer, or AirTM, which is the important one for international contributors. AirTM supports hundreds of local payment methods across Asia, Latin America, and Africa. What's the catch? You need credentials. At minimum, an undergraduate degree. Preferred candidates are graduate students, master's degree holders, or PhD candidates. The platform wants genuine domain expertise. If you're strong in coding, STEM, law, medicine, or advanced writing, this platform should be your first stop. The one honest downside is task availability. Work comes in waves based on what their clients need. Some weeks are packed, others are slow. So most experienced contributors treat Outlier as a primary income source alongside 1 or 2 other platforms. Platform 2, Mindrift. This one is more accessible than Outlier while still paying serious money. Mindrift is part of Toloka, which has been operating in the AI training data space since 2014. They connect contributors with AI training projects from major tech companies. The work here feels less like technical evaluation and more like editing. You read AI-generated conversations, assess how well the AI followed instructions, rewrite poor responses, and rank outputs for quality. If you have a background in writing, editing, or communication, this is your lane. The pay figures from Mindrift's own data are strong. Their official page advertises $15 to $100 per hour. Glassdoor data from January 2026 puts the average data annotation specialist salary at $67,000 annually. That's roughly $32 an hour. Top earners in the 90th percentile are pulling in around $107,000 a year. What makes Mindrift stand out from Outlier is the accessibility. You don't need a specific degree. You need a reliable internet connection and the ability to pass a 10-question English grammar assessment. That's the barrier to entry, which means it's genuinely open to a much wider global audience, including contributors in Pakistan, Nigeria, the Philippines, and across Southeast Asia. Payments are bi-weekly. Mindrift reviews your submitted work within 5 business days on average before releasing payment to your balance. The platform advertises $300 per week as a sample earnings figure. They're transparent that this isn't guaranteed, but for contributors working consistently, it's realistic. Platform 3. CrowdGen by Appen. In 2022 alone, Appen paid out over $157 million to contributors worldwide. That number has only grown since. The work here is broader than the previous two platforms. You're doing search evaluation, rating whether a search result actually answers a query. You're doing sentiment analysis, product testing, image classification, and content quality assessment. Tasks are simpler, which means the pay ceiling is lower, but the entry barrier is almost non-existent. Most projects on CrowdGen require zero technical background, no degree required. You can see the exact pay rate for each project before you apply. You work on your own schedule as long as you hit your weekly targets. Payment comes through PayPal, Payoneer, or AirTM. CrowdGen is the right starting point if you're brand new to this space and want to build a track record before moving to higher-paying platforms. Think of it as your entry-level position in the AI economy. Use it to get comfortable with the work style, then scale up. One important note across all these platforms: if any website claiming to be CrowdGen, Appen, or any AI training platform asks you to pay a registration fee before you can work, walk away immediately. Every legitimate platform in this space is free to join. That's how you separate the real opportunities from the scams. Platform 4. Toloka AI. This is the most immediately accessible platform on this entire list. Toloka is the parent company of Mindrift. While Mindrift focuses on premium LLM evaluation work that requires stronger skills, Toloka itself handles the microtask end of the same operation. You sign up, you get tasks, you complete them from your phone or computer, you get paid. That's it. Tasks on Toloka are fast and volume-based. You're labeling images, transcribing short audio clips, tagging text, rating search results. Individual tasks take minutes. The pay-per task is small, but experienced users are stacking consistent hours across the week. Contributors on the platform describe earning extra money in 1 to 4 hours per day, some fitting tasks in during commutes, at the gym, while watching television. Payment goes out through Payoneer, which makes it one of the most globally accessible platforms on this list for contributors in regions where PayPal has limitations. Toloka is not going to replace a salary, but it requires zero qualifications, zero special skills, and you can literally start within an hour of creating your account. For someone building toward Outlier or Mindrift, Toloka gives you immediate income while you work on qualifying for the higher-tier platforms. Run them in parallel. Platform 5. Nevo AI. Connects contributors with companies that need help improving AI accuracy specifically through text, audio, image, and video tasks. Here's what makes Nevo different from everything else on this list. You don't go browse for tasks. Companies submit projects to Nevo. Nevo matches those projects to contributors whose profiles fit, and then you get invited to participate. It's selective by design. This keeps Nevo almost completely invisible in side hustle circles, because you can't just sign up and start browsing work. You build your profile, indicate your skills and languages, and wait for matching projects. When a project matches you, the pay is typically per task at rates that reflect the specificity of what's being asked. Here's why this matters particularly for bilingual contributors, people who speak English and Urdu, English and Arabic, English and Spanish. Language AI tasks are in extremely high demand in 2026 because AI companies need human feedback on models being trained for non-English speakers. A bilingual contributor on Nevo brings something to the table that a monolingual contributor cannot. That profile gets matched to higher value projects. Voice tasks and audio evaluation projects also pay at a premium on Nevo compared to text-only work. If you have a clear speaking voice and can evaluate audio quality, that is a specific skill set Nevo's clients actively need. Treat Nevo as a strategic long-term play. Build your profile carefully, list every language and domain you're genuinely competent in, and let the matching system work in your favor over time. The real strategy. No single platform here gives you perfectly stable income. Task volume goes up and down. The people actually making money in 2026 are running 2 or 3 of these simultaneously. Toloka for quick daily income, Mindrift for consistent weekly earnings, Outlier for the high-value projects. Your skill set determines your ceiling. Coders, lawyers, and STEM professionals go straight to Outlier. Strong writers target Mindrift. Starting from zero, CrowdGen and Toloka get you in the door today. The AI economy is already here. Right now, there's a real window for everyday people to get paid building it. But that window won't stay open forever. Pick one platform from this list and start today, not next week. If you found this list useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to earn online. Drop a comment below if you've tried any of these sites or have other AI platforms to recommend. Stay tuned for more content that helps you make the most of emerging tech.